Hi, it's Dr. Amelia Harre from Eat Sustainably here, and I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your ES membership and use the website to its full potential. So you can see here I've just come to the home page. The first thing I would recommend doing is just clicking on the round dot in the middle at the top and scrolling to the bottom and logging in. So if you're a member, first log in here to unlock all the content. So now I'm logged in, I have gone back, clicked on the logo again to go back to the home page. On this home page, you can either search directly for what you want. So if you're looking for things related to iron, you can search for that and all the different options will come up that relate to iron. So this is either in our nutrition education hub, in our, we should have, let's go to a different page. We've got product reviews. Obviously iron is spoken about a lot on our website. We also have recipes and different pages that relate to iron. But if we go back to the home page by clicking the logo, if you're not sure what you want to look at, I suggest scrolling to the bottom and selecting either recipes or product reviews or meal plans or our online tutorials. But if we start with recipes, they are separated by eating occasions, so breakfast, lunches, dinners, sides, drinks, and lots more. But a really great feature about the Eat Sustainably website is once you go into these categories, so if you click on dinners, then it comes up with all different dietary requirements. So if you're having a vegetarian over for dinner and you're not used to cooking vegetarian food, or you're trying to eat more vegetarian meals, you can select vegetarian as the screening factor here, and it will pop up with all our recipes that meet that criteria. But if you have a vegetarian coming over and avocados are in season, you can also select avocados and it pops up with every vegetarian recipe that also has avocados in it. And another great thing, I'll just untick these, is to use the website to reduce food waste. So if you're looking in your fridge on a Sunday and you have lots of let's say broccoli to use, you can select broccoli and all our dinner recipes that contain broccoli will show up. So this will allow you to plan your meals around what's in season and what you have left over to reduce food waste. Once you go into each recipe, they say what dietary requirements, how many people it serves and how long it takes. But we also have some notes down the bottom of each recipe. So this enables you to really get some more information, or if you're trying to make it gluten-free, options there for you as well. Now going back to the home page by clicking on the logo, you'll see we have product reviews, and all our product reviews are unsponsored and unbiased. They use a unique star rating system that takes into account not just the nutrition information, but also the environmental impact of foods. And these are also broken down into categories. And a really great thing about your Eat Sustainably membership is you can request products to be reviewed. So if you go to the supermarket, see something that's new or you like the taste of, send it through and we will review this for you. So for example, let's go into breakfast cereals. It comes up with the breakfast cereals that have been recommended. You can go into these individually and you can see a really in-depth review of all the pros, all the cons, the star rating, and then our overall summary about the product. But a great thing, if we go back to breakfast cereals as the subheading, if you're short on time, you can have a look at which ones we recommend and what pops up from there. So this filter is on all the different product review categories. For example, milk-based, plant-based milk, yogurt and cheese. There are obviously lots of different options, but if we go to what we recommend from our review, this really creates a shortcut for you in terms of food shopping. And if you're at the supermarket, you can check that out. Going back to the home page again, we have our meal planning and shopping lists part of the site. And this has some great resources under all sorts of different topics. Our seasonal meal plans are also in here, which get updated every season. We have vegetarian, vegan, and flexitarian meal plans. So if you go to those meal plans, it links directly to the recipes that we're referring to. But if we go back to the meal planning section, you'll see there are shopping list recommendations, snack and meal ideas, which can be great, especially for really busy people. So there are some, work lunch ideas that you can go to and get all sorts of practical ideas on what to take to work if you don't have a fridge and more. So that is our meal planning section. Again, I suggest using the search function if you're short on time and just want to check out something specifically. We have our online tutorials, which provide all sorts of interesting information. And if we go back, we can see our seasonal eating guide. So what this does is if you're trying to eat sustainably and you're not used to eating in season, this really takes the work out for you. So you can state what area you're located in, say New South Wales in winter, and then view results, and it will pop up with all sorts of fruits and vegetables that are in season at that time. So back to the home page by clicking on the logo, we've also got a nutrition, or actually clicking on this round dot again, a nutrition education hub. And what this is an education hub to increase your knowledge, because we know that to really implement the changes, it's important to have understanding about why we're recommending them. So in here, we have some really great resources, for example, on high protein animal foods, and it allows you to refine by which topic, but then goes through the health and environmental impacts of all sorts of different animal foods to increase your knowledge. There are lots of other areas of the Nutrition Education Hub to explore. I suggest you go wild and please reach out if you have any questions. But that's a quick summary of some key features of your Eat Sustainably membership. But like I said, reach out to our team of dietitians and nutritionists if you have any questions.